Hey Kingsville, welcome back. Excited to show you another tour of the fitness center. We have really been moving the past couple weeks. We're excited about the progress that's been made. It's certainly looking pretty dang cool. We are coming to you live from our TRX studio, right next door to our yoga studio, right next door to the cardio main floor. So basically around the facility, all the walls are up. The lockers are in, the lights are in, fire suppressant's in, everything, roof insulation is painted, fans, all that is good to go. We're putting some finishing touches on the walls today and tomorrow, and then next week we start flooring, which is pretty dang exciting. So project is coming along great. Let's show you a little bit. We highlighted we're walking from our TRX studio to our yoga studio. Looking out the back windows. This is our cardio main floor. We installed fans last week. We cleaned up the paint. All the walls are up. All the lights are in. And then we take a peek to our main entrance, our welcome center, our office, and our weight floor. New fans, new lights. Up and in last week, painted everything. These beams used to be the red rust, all black now. Everything's black and white, looks super sharp. All the walls are up. And then built a wall that separates the indoor pool area, is up and ready to go. In the men's locker room, we're gonna go take a peek. We got the lockers in, we got the lights in, and they're doing some finishing work on the showers, sauna, and jacuzzi right now. So all the men's lockers are in. We go all the way down the hallway. They're covered as we're going to start the floor project here in the next week. We got the team working right now. Men's showers, towels going up. Men's hot tub. Sauna, we got the benches and the towel going up. And the men's steam room. Lots of exciting progress the last couple of weeks. We're excited to keep moving forward. Don't forget to sign up for our hard hat tours and bring your friends along. Thanks for being a member. We'll see you in 2 more weeks.